Hey guys, James here, back with another video. So today I've got something pretty interesting. It's different than what I'm doing. I'm not actually doing an unboxing, or sort of, but pretty much what I'm doing is I'm putting in a screen protector on this iPad. Now the thing about this iPad is that it's cracked. So as you can see in this corner, I'll give you a good look at that. You can see the extent of the damage of this iPad. So basically, this was given from one of my cousins to my auntie, and so she basically doesn't mind using it with the cracked screen, but obviously, you know, wants it repaired. And so, give you a closer look at that. So that's pretty much the scratch screen. You can see the surface of pretty much the insides, and what I did was I went ahead and bought tempered glass. Now the reason I bought tempered glass and not like sticky was like just a standard sticky thing was because tempered glass is glass, and I love my tempered glass. I've got it on my Note 4 already, and so I really like that, so I'm just gonna continue to use that. And so this is the first tempered glass that I've applied to an iPad before on such a large display. I haven't done it on smaller displays like what is it? Oh, hang on. Might change my ISO. Alright, that's better. Okay. So yeah, and I'm just gonna quickly do it. I won't get too much into it. So basically it dropped. You can see in this corner there's a chip here, and so yeah, the iPad dropped onto hard flooring, and so that's how it got smashed. No screen protector on it and everything, so always put a screen protector on your iPad or on your stuff, so that you don't have to deal with this. All these scratches I obviously can't deal with, but you know, just kind of cleaning up as much as I can. Okay, so I think that'll do. Yeah, okay. So that's that. I'm gonna put this on this surface so it doesn't damage. Okay, so we've got, because I bought two, they gave two sets. I'll leave a link in the description to these guys who I got it from. But let's just take out one of them. So there's two tempered glass in here. Now I'll say it's not the best glass I've seen, but it was pretty cheap. Nothing fantastic about it. It's not like a branded glass, but you know, it's alright. Okay, dust absorber, let's do that. So let's just get that. Now, I want to really see how this will turn out, because I'm not sure whether this will actually work. And the reason I'm unsure is because I don't know how that tempered glass is going to work with this corner. It's not quite flush, and it protrudes quite a bit. So I'm really interested to see how this is going to turn out. Hence why I'm making this video. So let's just do this wet wipes. We'll do the wet first. I honestly wasn't expecting a kit or anything, so this is a bonus. So it's not that wet, but so wet wipes. And this is an old generation iPad 3, by the way, in case you didn't know. Okay. Yep. And then we will put the dry wipes. Put this aside. Okay, and then I'll do another once over with this microfiber. Give it that nice sheen look. Alright, so that's done. You can see the reflection of my camera in the screen. Apologies if that bothers you. Alright, it's pretty much done. Alright, time to put this on. So, it is, you can tell it's not a very it's not a fantastic piece of glass, but it's alright. Please peel off this before putting it on. Okay, so I like to put this on like this. I like to see both ends while doing it. It's just me. Alright, so we'll peel and we'll apply. Oops, it's not good. It's a bit hard to juggle actually. Okay, and then flip it around. Okay. Pretty much only got one shot at this. And I just used it. Alright. So that's gonna cure. It was a little bit down heavy. For some reason that's not going out. Hang on. Alright. Card. Grab a card. Oh, where's my wallet? No card. Here it is. I will use my Kathmandu card. So my fears with this were pretty much right. I don't know how to get rid of this bubble. No, how do you get rid of it? Okay. So, just get rid of that. This bubble. Basically cured by itself. I'm just worried that that bubble will come out in the future. Let's hope it doesn't. Yeah, this is not the best application, but it seems alright. I mean, that actually did pretty well considering. I was a bit worried. You can see, you get a nice close-up. Yeah, so that's the edge. Obviously I expected it to be like this. This splodge here was a bit of a curveball. I'm not sure what's happened there, and I can't really get it out. Try again. Looks like it's stuck there. I mean, I don't mind that it's stuck there, I just hope it doesn't go undone. That's my concern. But yeah, so basically what we're able to do is, yeah, pretty much put one new piece of glass on top without just changing the display. And that's the reason why I went tempered glass. Putting it on wasn't that ideal, but at least there's no bubbles on the edges. Yeah, and then basically you put the quick cover back on and it should unlock. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, that's just the whole process. So if you have you know, an old iPad or even a new iPad, and it's kind of, you know, gone through a little trip down to the floor, and you were wondering, yeah, can a tempered glass screen protector actually fix that issue and will it come off? And it is true, it actually can. So yeah, hope that's been helpful to somebody out there who's been, you know, wondering and thinking of getting a screen protector, tempered glass for an iPad or even a phone, I reckon. but obviously an iPad's a bigger screen. So yeah, just close this. So yeah, I have another one that I can use. I mainly got that because I was a bit worried that it wouldn't work, or I'd stuff it up, but it did work. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, hope you liked it. Like it if you did, dislike if you disliked it for whatever reason. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about you know, where I got the thing from, or you know, just anything about this tempered glass. You know, I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can get that. But yeah, just any questions, ask, and I'll try to get around to answering those for you. And yeah, subscribe to see more videos like this. I may in the future post more videos. I kind of asking these questions and kind of doing experiments and stuff like that. So if you do want to see more of that, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.